Your blog module will enable you to develop relationships with your visitors and potential customers. It's a space where you can pass along information, express your views in greater detail, and once it's been published, your blog is super easy to share via Facebook, Twitter, whatever, with just a quick click. It's also a good way to boost your search engine optimization. It gives you the opportunity to create pertinent keywords. You can then support them with good content writing in your blog. Now, as usual, you'll find it right over here on the menu bar in your control panel. Over time, you may have collected a few blogs, but creating one is very easy. You start by clicking on this button right here. For our purposes, we're going to use one I created ahead of time. To add or make changes to the basic information about the blog, just click on the edit pencil here. Now, you want to title your blog something descriptive and memorable. Okay, so mine's kind of dry, but it'll certainly serve the purpose. As I mentioned, keywords are critical in drawing traffic through search engine optimization. I've added just a few here to give you an idea. To make these effective, you're going to want to support them in your blog's content. Now down here you'll see description. Now this is often neglected but can be very important. It's what you see in search engine results below the website title that explains what the page or site is all about. Again, mine's a little brief and you might want to add a little more to yours. Now back up here you'll see comments. You can use this section if you want to have an interactive blog where your visitors can leave a comment pertinent to the conversation. If you take this approach, however, you'll most likely want to moderate the incoming comments for inappropriate material or to even edit for brevity. You can generally skip the menu and template tabs. You can place the blog menu item right where you want it using the website menu module, and you'll find a video tutorial on that topic in our help and support library. Now, of course, when you have all the fields filled out, be sure to save your changes right here. Now you'll notice the View Edit Categories button. It's right up here. Categories are a great way to group your blog by topic so visitors can view all the blogs on that topic with just one click. You can see I've already created one here called Blog Tips. You can add more categories up here. And to return to the blog list, you simply come over here and click on Back to Blog Pages. Okay, let's get started writing your blog. It's very easy to do. First of all, you want to come over here just under Manage Posts and click on this icon. Now normally the first step would be to select Create a New Post right here. We're going to use one that I've already created. It's called 5 Tips to Get Your Brand Noticed. Now you'll click on the Edit pencil here. Title your post something that you think will spur a click to read more. A good test is to put yourself in the shoes of your visitors. If you read it, would you be inspired to click on it? Now again, concise writing that's compelling, easy to read, makes its point clearly is especially effective. You can also take advantage of the formatting pane you see here with lots of options available to create some impact and visual interest. You want to add some comments to the introduction pane on the blog's homepage. This will entice visitors to check out more. You can also add an image right here for the introduction. You just click on the icon, select your image from your library, click and drag it into the blog image window. You'll see some other settings right down here. If you're going to have more than one contributor to your blog, you can use the author feature to designate who wrote the blog and group the blogs together to allow visitors to view all of that author's blogs with just one click. Now to create the author listing, by the way, you'll want to use the staff module. That's right over here. It's easy to use and you'll find a staff module tutorial in our library. If you've set up any categories, you'll find them here. And we'll make this one a category of blog tips. Tags are another great way to group your blog entries. You can see I've created a couple here. The tags appear in what's called a tag cloud that your visitors can click on. Over here we've got comments section. That allows you to moderate and manage incoming blog posts should you have an interactive blog. Schedule release is a nifty tool that lets you prepare blog pieces and schedule them for a later release. And that's great for being able to keep your blog fresh even if you're busy doing other things. And if you'd like to create a unique URL for this blog post, you can use the title alias feature. If you leave it blank, no problem, the post title will be used. Now if you want to save the blog for later release, you'd go up here and click on a Save button. If you're ready to roll and this is a new blog, you'd see a Publish button and you can click on your new entry. That'll appear on your blog page. If for some reason you want to take a blog entry down, you've got the Unpublish button you see here. Now in my case, I'm just going to close my blog. All right, let's take a look at the page as it exists on the website. All you have to do is click on the blog title and you'll find the results right here on the adjacent tab. You'll note it's nicely formatted for easy reading and easy to share on social networking using these icons right over here. So it's that easy. You can learn more about effective blog writing from a number of different resources on the internet or at your local library. And it'll take some time to build your blog library, but keep at it and the archives will grow as you add more material and you'll be reaching more readers in no time.